My name is Craig. I'm from England. How you doing?
Good. How are you? What are we gonna do?
Hot lap.
And what this car is?
This is a MC20 GT2 Stradale.
So this is track ready. I mean, from the factory.
Yeah, it's pretty much where you put it in the classification of a GT2 RS, GT3 RS, that kind of class. It's a GT car.
Horsepower more than the other one.
Yeah, this is 631.
631.
So it's lighter.
So
yeah, it's lighter and it's faster.
Oh wow! And we're in GT mode.
Yes, sir. They've asked us to do this for a while.
Okay.
All right. See how much grip it produces?
Yeah.
And how much quicker we'll take the corners, how much deeper we'll take, how much curve we'll take on the exit.
Okay.
Different tires, it'll be much quicker.
A little traffic, no problem.
And there we go, my friend.
So what do you think about this track, this facility?
The track is great.
Yeah? What do you like about it?
It's very tight, it's very technical, and it tests the car, it tests the driver. But as we said yesterday, in terms of the track itself, this isn't for beginners. It's not for the faint-hearted, because there's so little runoff here that every corner could cause you a problem.
Well, we didn't.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's a good day.
And you, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Great,
Get a quick
thank
photo
you.
of you behind you?
No,
Want to go
thank
over
you.
there? No?
No, thank you.
Okay, wonderful.